So hello everyone, in today's video we are going to discuss about the 4 W's of problem scoping or the 4W canvas. So the 4 W's of problem scoping are who, what, where and why. These 4 W's helps in identifying and understanding the problem in a better and efficient manner. Sometimes students are having difficulty in memorizing the 4 W's. So I created one mnemonic for that, that is who helped me to identify what happened in the warehouse and why. Okay, let's move on to each W separately now. First, who. The who part helps us in comprehending and categorizing who all are directly affected or indirectly affected with the problem and who are called the stakeholders. Okay, so next W is what, and it helps us in identifying that what is the problem and how do you know that it is a problem. Under this block, you need to look at what you have on the hand. At this stage, you need to determine the nature of the problem. Under this block, you will also gather evidence to prove that problem you have selected actually exists. Newspaper articles, media, announcements, etc. are some examples which can be an evidence to prove that the problem is genuine. In simple terms, in this phase, we'll look out for a list of problems, then we'll try to understand the problem's genuineness from the subject expert, also by collecting the articles in print, television and social media. We are considering subject expert here because, for example, if the problem exists in the field of cyber security, then the normal person cannot help us to give the data about it. That's why we need to consider a cyber security expert, which is the subject expert in this case. Moving on to our next W, that is where. Now that you know who is associated with the problem and what the problem actually is, where part helps us in understanding that where does the problem arises, its situation, context and location. This block helps you to look into the situation in which the problem arises, the context of it and the location where it is prominent. And the last is why. Why is the given problem worth solving? What are the benefits to the stakeholder after solving the problem? Stakeholder was the person who was directly or indirectly affected by the problem. So if the problem is solved, what will be the benefit to the stakeholder? So one important thing we should remember here is these 4 W's canvas can come as a match of following question or one word question in exam. So I'm giving you keywords which you should learn from here. We can associate who with people affected directly or indirectly by the problem or the stakeholders. What can be associated with nature of the problem. Where is equals to the context, situation or location. And why is why the problem is worth solving or benefits of the solution to the stakeholder. Now we know about these 4 W's and we can use them in problem scoping. Thank you for watching.